You may have heard the previous information and you might be a little concerned because you may have exposed your essential oils to oxygen, heat, and light a little more than you probably should have. So you may be wondering how you can tell if your essential oils are already bad. So let's talk about that. Contrary to popular thought, most companies don't actually create essential oils in the lab, but they purchase them from distillers. Therefore, most companies don't provide a distillation date, which can make it difficult to determine shelf life. So if you are unsure when it was distilled or bottled, you can keep track of when you purchase it. Keep in mind there could be several months or longer between when the essential oil was distilled or bottled and when you make your purchase. If you are left in the dark, there are two ways to tell if your essential oil has been oxidized. One of them is aroma. If you make yourself familiar with the aroma of the essential oil when it is fresh, you will begin to notice once it smells off, and this is when it has been oxidized. A change in smell can alert you that it may not be safe for topical applications. The other way to tell if your essential oil has been oxidized is adverse reactions. Once oxidized, the potential for the essential oil to cause adverse reactions, such as redness, irritation, itching, increases even when diluted. If this starts happening to you, stop using the essential oil topically. Continuing to use the oxidized essential oil in this way will greatly increase your risk for sensitization. Oxidized essential oils are not recommended for use on the skin, but they can be used for cleaning. Be sure you wear gloves when you use the essential oils in your cleaning recipes. It's probably best to avoid diffusing them in case of mucous membrane irritation. They won't be very therapeutic anyway.